Kagigising ko lang guys. Napagod ako sa party kahapon ni Samantha. Sa preparation, sa pag-decorate, sa pagluto. So, hindi ko pa nga ito natapos guys. Oh, iligpit. Pero yung garage, naligpit ko na kagabi. Tapos, bigla akong nawala ng energy. So, natulog na ako after kong maligo kahapon. So, ngayon ay maglilinis ako sa living room. So, dahil marami pa akong ligpitin. Ayan, iligpitin ko pa. Itong dalawang to, ang ingay-ingay. So, ayan, oh. Kalat pa yung aming living room, guys. So, ayan. Ayan. So, today ay... No, Soya, that's... Wait! No, I'm gonna spank you. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Okay, hit him. Dali. Sige, bahala mo dira. Tapos, dito naman sa labas, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. So, ayan, yung liligpitin ko, ayan. Kasi, kahapon, dito yung classmates and friends ni Sam. So, ayan. Yung mga bote, yung mga pagkain nila, yung mga cakes nila. Ayan. Kailangan itong ligpitin at ilagay dito sa basurahan. So, ayan. Buti lang dito is malinis. No! May popcorn pa. Who cooked the popcorn last night? You guys? Who? Who?
Gabe.
Oh, that's your friend.
Gabe's in a church.
So, ayan, niligpitin ko. Ayan. At ito pa sa kusina. Ayan. Ayan, yung mga balloons. Papap yan siya mamaya. Ayan. Tapos, yung garage ay malinis na. Ito, ilagay ko sa garbage. Tapos yung decoration ko dito. Ay, mayroon pa nga tira isa. Nakalimutan ko. Yung apat ata yan, yung limang balloons. Nakalimutan ko kagabi. So, ayan. So, yan lang yung, ito lang yung aking tatanggalin mamaya. Pero, okay na yan dyan. Mag-ano rin yan. Pag ito, puputok din yan. Tapos yun, ang aking gagawin ngayong araw na to. Kasi tapos na yung birthday party ni Sam. Ang cute guys, ang dami nagagandahan sa decoration ko. Yan, ako lang kasi gumawa niyan eh. Yung decoration ko na yan. So, yan, maraming ligpitin. So, pupunta tayo sa taas kung anong ginagawa ng dalawa. Kasi, niregaluhan namin si Sam ng computer kasi yun yung kanyang ni-request. Akala niya wala kaming yung regalo na nail kit lang yung regalo namin pero hindi. Kasi hindi namin sinasabi sa kanya para ma-surprise siya. So, hindi nga namin nabalot kahapon guys. HP. Oh, wow. Uy! Nice color! Oh my goodness. Nice color.
It matches my desk.
Yeah. Your dad knows it.
Yeah, because he works at Verizon. He knows about electronics.
I like it. It's white.
Here's lifetime Microsoft Office 24 standard. Professional is only $17. That program normally costs $150. So you get Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook for email, OneNote, and I don't know.
Is that for a year or lifetime?
For a lifetime.
Oh, wow.
That's Groupon. There's some outstanding deals on Groupon. Okay, just got to download the update. So
wow. It's very pretty, hon. You did a great job.
Oh, it has a webcam too.
Oh, wow. I'm jealous.
That's what I told her. Me too.
How much is that one?
Like almost
Almost
$1,000.
1,000.
Holy shooty.
Start quiz. Unlock the power of your PC. There's so many different things.
Oh my God. It has a...
Create folders for school.
Wow.
It can connect to your...
You have game. Yeah, I can connect to your...
That's very nice.
See you in a bit.
See? After this, you gotta clean up your friends' stuff, okay? You have to help me. You gotta help me. Huh? Yeah.
You can do this. Is gonna take 30 minutes. I'm gonna sit here with it while it's doing this. It takes a long time. It's only 2%.
Okay. So Samantha will help me to pop the balloon. Do it the outside first, Sam. There's a lot of drinks. It's so nice, Shells. Yeah, it's so pretty.
You're going to teach me how to use it.
Not outside.
Use this outside.
Outside the backyard.
Oh. Good job.
Gonna get this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yan, nilinis na ni Saming. Yan.
Kids do not know how to play.
That's
Or
the.
maybe the little kids. Avery, Coral, Irene, the twins sat over here.
It's a party. Outside, Sam. Outside the thing because it's gonna. Maybe the what is it? Ants or something.
The what?
The ants.
Oh,
When it's sweet, they like it.
I didn't know. Sorry.
Yeah, look. Your friends, that I saw it yesterday. Your friends. Is it empty? No?
Kind of full.
I like the jacket. Who gave the jacket?
Irene.
Oh, just a girl. It's not. It's your size.
I don't know.
Where is that? What is it said in the front?
Just
I'm
a
literally just a girl.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because I turned a teenager.
Yeah. It's cute.
I know, I've been so much. This is a popular jacket, also. The name of it, of literally just a girl. Lots of people have it in my school
Oh, really?
during the winter time.
That's nice. That's sweet of twins, huh? The letter.
Yeah. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. So next is here. Pop the balloon. Uy,
I don't want to pop this one. Huh?
your hand.
This glass. Watch out. Your feet. I'm scared. I don't know.
Is that
Because this is going to make a mess. I'll keep this in my room because I want to.
Mom, I pop it too.
It's scary. I'm so scared.
Mom, I pop it.
So hold on. Ay, is- oh my God! What is here? Almost fell.
What happened?
Here. Okay, pop
Pop,
this.
pop, pop, this.
13.
Oh,
13.
pop it.
Oh, you do it on your own?
Oh, whatever. I'm going to do this.
Oh, here.
We're taking it. Okay,
Go
sorry.
one and pizza. Okay, here. Wait,
Now next is 14.
here, pop it.
I'm scared.
No, pop it. Let me pop.
I'll pop it too.
Come here.
Yes.
Sam, put it up.
I'm not scared of that. Yes, I'm.
Please, Sam, Sam, backward. I can't see you.
Oh,
Here, here. It's easy. It's easy. It won't get you.
oh. Well, that is easy. That's actually good. Ow, foot.
Sissy, look. Sissy, look.
Ready?
But no, go upstairs and take it off the pin.
I'm gonna do this. So I'll keep it.
Wait, it's easy. Bring it here.
Oh, that's water.
Don't pop the water.
Don't pop the water, Seesaw. Woo! Don't pop the water, Sawyer. I'm getting it.
The water, nice one. Did you already use the pin?
Yeah.
We need to,
Right here.
wait, we have to, this one. This one, keep it.
I'm getting it.
So, ito na yung resulta, guys, ng after na-pop yung mga balloons. Yan. Dinulungan ako ni Sawyer at saka ni Sam. Kakain muna ako dahil nagkutom ako, guys. Ito ang resulta after the party. So, ito yung kay Shelton. So, bumili ako ng kanyang, guys, favorite na football players or football team, ang Pittsburgh. Yan yung, or Steelers, yan yung gusto niya, guys, na bed sheets at comforter. So, bumili rin ako ng cortina para maging uniform sa kanyang kama. Tsaka, yan, hindi ko siya tutupiin kasi sila na ang magtutupi niyan. Ayan, na-shampoo ko na siya, tuyo na siya, at na-vacuum ko na rin. Malinis na ang kanyang room. No, Sawyer. So, yung comforter niya, guys, ay same din ng kanyang bed sheets. Yan. So, ayan. Alam nyo ba, guys, yung kanyang cortina ay $39. At saka yung kanyang comforter, guys, ay $49. Ang bed sheets niya, guys, ay sobrang mahal din. $39. So, yan ang gusto niya. So, pinagbigyan ko na, guys. Nabilhin ko yan siya kasi yan yung favorite team niya sa football. So, dito naman tayo kay Sam. Nauna ko to siyang shinampoo before kay, Shelton. So, ayan. So, while ako nag-shampoo, guys, ng carpet, ay naglalaba din ako. So, ayan yung damit niya. So, tutupiin niya yan. Tapos na rin yung kanyang, tapos ko na rin nalabhan ang kanyang comforter at saka kanyang bed sheets. So, ayan, malinis na. Na-shampoo ko na rin yung kanyang carpet. Ayan. Na-vacuum ko na rin para pagdating niya gigaling sa school, malinis na ang kanyang room. At ang gagawin lang niya, guys, ay magtutupi ng kanyang damit. So, come on, Sawyer. Come on. So, ang hindi ko pa natapos, guys, ay ang hallway. Ang hallway dito sa taas at ang kwarto namin. Natapos ko na rin yung office ni asawa. Ayan, pinatuyo ko lang. Ayan. Laruan ni Sawyer. Ayan. Tapos ko na rin siyang shinampoo. Ito na lang, guys, ang hindi ko pa tapos. Yan. Hindi ko pa na shampoo yan. Ihuli ko na yan pababa sa stairs, hagdanan. Ayan. Tapos, yan. Shampoo ko pa to papunta doon. Tapos naglaba rin ako ng bedsheets namin. Mom! So, ito nga, guys, ay naglilinis ako ng bahay at nag-shampoo ng carpet after the party kasi maraming mga bata ang naglalaro sa rooms nila at saka sa baba. So, syempre, madudumi yung mga paa at saka yung socks nila ay nilalabas nila tapos pinapasok. So, kailangan kong i-shampoo ang aming carpet. So, natapos na nga ako, guys, dito sa room ni Shelton at saka kay Samantha.